In 1953, a group of American soldiers returned home from the Korean War completely unrecognizable to their families. They weren't just physically exhausted. Their minds had been entirely rewritten. They stood before cameras, praised their captors, denounced their own countries, and confessed to historical crimes they never committed. This was the exact moment the Western world realized a terrifying new weapon had been deployed: the science of total mind control, to uncover how a human conscience could be systematically broken down. The United States military commissioned psychiatrist Robert Jay Lifton to conduct a chilling investigation into the mechanics of thought reform. Lifton embedded himself with returning prisoners of war and discovered that mind control does not require physical torture or supernatural tricks. Instead, it relies on an elegant 8-step psychological blueprint designed to slowly erode an individual's sense of objective reality. The process begins with milieu control, the absolute restriction of all communication with the outside world. By ensuring the subject only hears one single, state-approved narrative, the mind loses its ability to compare, contrast, or think critically. Once isolation is established, the architects of thought reform introduce the cult of confession. Subjects are forced to continuously confess past sins, faults, and personal doubts in public, systematically destroying their self-esteem until their old identity completely collapses under the weight of manufactured guilt. The final, devastating phase of Lifton's document relies on a protocol known as the loading of the language. The complex, nuanced vocabulary of human thought is completely erased and replaced with brief, hyperpolarized, unthinking slogans. These catchy black and white phrases are explicitly designed to act as thought-terminating cliches. The moment a difficult question or an uncomfortable truth arises, the subject immediately repeats the slogan, instantly shutting down the brain's capacity for logical reasoning. Lifton's historic case files prove a sobering psychological truth. When you control the information a person consumes, you ultimately control who they become. The blueprint he uncovered remains a permanent testament to the structural fragility of human belief. Subscribe to The Repository, your think tank channel today.